everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make an angled triangle pattern. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I've gone ahead and attached 6 ropes to a dowel rod using a lark's head knot. Our first step is to take the 4 ropes here on the left side and form one square knot. To make a square knot, I take the side on the far right, cross it over the 2 ropes in the middle to form a loop. The side on the left then goes over that right rope, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And I pull it tight. Then I'm going to take the side on the left to cross over the 2 ropes in the middle to form my loop. The side on the right goes over the left one, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And I pull it tight. Now I'm going to tie 2 square knots right below this first one. We're going to make an alternating square knot, so I'm going to leave off the 2 ropes on the far left, use the next 2 ropes, and then the 2 ropes next to those. And then I'm just tying a normal square knot. Now I'm going to tie 2 square knots again below using the same system. This time I'm going to use the 2 ropes on the left and the next 2 ropes. I'm going to use the next 4 ropes. I'm going to repeat the same pattern using 2 more alternating square knots to go here and here. Again, leaving off the 2 on the far left, I take the next 4 ropes. And lastly, I'm going to tie 3 square knots all the way across for one final row. Just like that, and now I have my first angled triangle. Now we will repeat the same pattern, but this time we're going to move from right to left. I'm going to use the 4 ropes on the far right, and I'm just going to leave a little bit of a gap between my last square knot up top, and now I'm going to tie a new square knot. Then underneath this square knot, I'm going to tie one alternating square knot, again leaving off the 2 ropes on the far right. Now I will tie 2 square knots right below. Now I tie 2 more right below. And lastly, I tie 1 final row of 3 square knots all the way across. And there we go. This is how you can create a fun angled triangle design. This is a great geometric pattern that is very simple to make as all you're using is square knots, but it's such a fun pattern for all your geometric designs. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.